everyone, welcome. It's Joanne. I'm with Stampin' Up. I'm an independent demonstrator in Sylvan Lake, Alberta, and I'd like to welcome you here today. Thanks for watching my video, and I just wanted to stop by before a couple of things end and let you know about them. The first is our paper pumpkin. I just want to show you what paper pumpkin is. It's basically a crafting kit that comes in the mail once a month. You can subscribe to it and get them come every month. You can skip a month if you choose. You can just order 1 month, or you can pick and choose which months you would like to have. So basically it's this little all-inclusive kit, and I'll just show you what it generally includes. I'll put this aside for a moment. And so you get a stamp set, you get instructions that are in full color. These have a measuring tape on the side to measure your string or twine, whatever they include with it, or ribbon. And it comes with everything you need to make the cards, or whatever the kit might be. Some months it's boxes, some months it could be different little paper crafting ideas. So it comes with the adhesives that you need to put it together. This one has little pre-cut dies to stamp your greetings on. And this one was the last month's kit that was the batter up kit, and it included all these dies for making your cards. So I haven't put these together yet. I've only done one card. I usually don't necessarily make the cards that are in the kit. I usually kind of come up with my own designs for the items that are included. But even after everything in the kit is used up, you still have your stamps, your little ink block. These blocks come with your first kit, and they'll hold your stamps. And usually there's plenty of string. We have little embellishments in this one that are little plasticky doodads that you can attach to your cards. So this one came with the bats, the all-star greeting, some baseballs, and some backgrounds for your cards. So that's the little embellishments that are included in this particular kit. Every month is a different one. So, and these are your card bases that you attach it to according to your directions. So in this case it makes this card, and this card, and it makes, I believe, 3 of each. Okay, and that was the May kit. So these are quite nice too. And the wooden background, which you could use for something different than this if you chose to. And it also comes with envelopes. They usually are lined with a coordinating paper. And this particular kit came with twine as well, and a little card here. And the reason I'm mentioning this kit, this was May's, is because the next kit is one that is themed around this expressions in color. I'll put that aside for a minute. But this is the kit for June, and you have to order it by June 10th, which is in 2 days. I'm recording this on June 8th. And this particular expressions in color coordinates with our expressions in ink paper, designer series paper. And as you can see, it has gold throughout. I've cut this one to show you an example of a card I made. The reverse has this pattern on it. Also very pretty, no gold in that side. This is a piece of cardstock that I'll put aside for a minute. Look how pretty this is. That's the reverse. Here's gold leafing throughout that print and the background. this simpler print and the gold through the reverse. This would be so pretty for Christmas cards, I think. This is the one that I showed you a minute ago. And this one has the centers of the flowers gold and little flecks throughout the background. And this is gold striping. And the reverse is just this peachy color on the reverse. So I just wanted to show you that because you can picture how many beautiful cards that you could make using that paper. And I'll show you one example in a minute. But this kit, yeah, is only available to order for 2 more days, and you will have it shipped to you around the 20th of the month, and it'll include every single thing you need to make it. And if you wanted to use your stamps that will be included for other cards or something later on, you could order that paper, and it will coordinate with what comes with this kit. And it'll make, I believe, 9 cards. So I'll just put that aside for a minute. I will show you my project in a minute, and it'll feature that cardstock. The other thing I wanted to mention is this is my Stampin' Up! Website. If you did choose to order either the Paper Pumpkin kit or the paper, and it's https://lighthousegreetings.stampinup.net. Lighthousegreetings.ca is my website, and lighthousegreetings@gmail.com is how you can reach me. If you do place an order, please use this hostess code for the month of June. Thank you, and I'll just mention one other thing before I show you my little card that I'm making for you. And the other thing is this catalog is running from January to June. So they have, it's retiring soon. All of the items that are in this catalog, many of them are on sale. And I just wanted to point out a couple of that I think are really good deals. This die set right here is on sale half price for $17. And these are the stamps that you can order as well to coordinate with that. And I'll just show you a couple of cards that I've made using that set because it's really cute. I made this one, and these little flowers come out and say just a note. As you can see, it die cuts the kangaroo that you can color in, the little butterflies, the envelope, and the little flowers that come with it. That's one card. Put that one aside. Just show you this one. I made it at Valentine's, but it wasn't used, so this little one as well. And there you go. So that one opens that way, and inside have to looks like a little repair on that one. And this one is one that someone else made, but to show you the same kit. This was made by Lindsay, and it shows the kangaroo and the baby kangaroo, and the little kangaroo can fit in this pouch. These little heart bouquet comes out as well and says hello. So that's a really cute little die set and cards for making cards and stamps that you can order, and these are some other projects that they did with this. The other thing that I wanted to mention is this Prettiest Birthday stamp set is on sale for $15, and I think it makes really pretty cards. I'll show you one maybe at the end of my video. I'll show some other cards that I made with this, but I've used this set quite a bit. So this is a little flip-flop card, so it just kind of goes like this and like this, and so it's got the little macarons and a gift bag. So there's a cake that comes in there and a little bouquet of flowers. I've used this a lot, and the dies are 20% off as well. So I just wanted to point those two things out, but if you want to browse the catalog on the website, you can go and do that, and you'll see lots of great deals and that are on sale. Another one, if you're in central Alberta, that I did notice as well, this one is on sale for a really good price as well. So it has the oil derricks, the horseshoe, the man on the horse, the cows, It's very farmer themed. And so I'll put that aside for a minute and just show you quickly my little card that I decided to make to show you how pretty this Expressions in ink paper is. So my card base right here is 8 1/4 by 4 1/4 this way, and I scored it at 5 1/2. The background on this is mint macaron cardstock, and I've cut this at 4 by 2 1/2, so 4 this way, 2 1/2. And the Designer Series paper is that stripe one that I showed you earlier, and that is cut at 2 1/4 by 3 1/4. So basically I've scored the card, folded it this way, and attached a DSP. DSP is Designer Series paper abbreviation, and I've attached that to the mint macaroon just using liquid glue, which I use for most of my projects because it gives me a chance to adjust the area if I need to. So I've also cut out this little piece. This is going to go inside for my greeting, and it is 4 by 2 3/4. Wait, no. And yeah, 4 by 2 3/4, and it's and the inside is 2 1/2 by 3 3/4. And I've actually scored it at 1/4 of an inch and 1/2 an inch just to add a little detail right there. So I'm going to attach that to the inside of the card, and the reason I'm doing this first is so that I can line up the front to cover up that area. It's easier once you have the inside done first. So I will put that, try to center it as best I can. Hopefully that's close to center. And hopefully it's straight. That looks pretty good. I'm going to add this little leaf detail. At the edge, and tuck it in underneath. Right here. Now this set here, this is cut from the hand-penned petals. So I ordered the dies that come with it, and the dies cut out all these beautiful leaves and the flower pattern, and I've cut it out using gold cardstock. So that's where I've gotten that. We will close this up. So this is a piece of that Designer Series paper from that Expressions in ink, and isn't that beautiful? So I will attach it to the mint macaron background. There we go. Trying to work rather quickly here before my my camera dies. There we go. And I will adjust it a little so that it's pretty straight. Okay, and I'm going to just put glue on this half of the card. And I think I will raise it up a little, so I'm going to use my dimensionals. But again, I'm only going to put it on the left side. So these little foam dimensionals just give some lift to that area of whatever you're putting them on. So and I'm going to line that up to cover that background piece. And there we go. And I'm going to, this is the flowers that I cut out from the dies in this hand pen set. Isn't that pretty? I'm going to take this off again. I don't really find it a little bit harsh for how delicate everything else is on the card, so I'm going to remove that. And I'm going to add my glue on the back here. Go very lightly with this liquid glue because it has a tendency to ooze out past where you put it. So you just lightly dab it over the surface, wherever there's a flat surface. And we'll try to get it stuck down as much as we can. I'm going to use these to pick it up and put it down. So I'm going to put this over on this side, I think. There we go. And I have my little thanks right here. And I will stamp that with black ink. I think there's enough gold on there, so. And hopefully I've left enough room. I'm just going to turn this over because I want to make sure I get lots on there because I only have a chance to stamp once. So, and we are going to put that right across the bottom. There you go. And there's a very easy, pretty little card. And you can put whatever you like on the inside to detail what you want to say thanks for. So that's my card for today, and I hope you enjoyed my little video. And oh, one other thing I want to mention for anybody out there with any 9 to 13-year-olds, I'm hosting a Mommy and Me stamp event, and it's going to be on August 5th from 1 till 3, and you have until June 14th to sign up for it. If you scroll down on my Facebook page, you can see a video showing what's included in that. So I'm going to be making 8 treat bags. I'm going to be doing a card sample, and there will be a cost of $40 to participate. And send me an email if that's something that you might be interested in, or just check it out. And hope to see you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.